All right, guys, now up for live break. It's going to be one box of 2014 Leaf autographed mini helmet. This is going out to Jesse K. Jesse, appreciate the order. Good luck. Let's see what we get you. Alright, this one is going to be left hand side there. Looks like Jamal Charles, but let's double check on that. Let's see about, you know what? Doesn't look like it has anything inside. There we go. Jamal Charles. Cool. So congrats on that nice helmet. And appreciate the order, Jesse, and we'll get that shipped out for you today.